Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Reena.MayyBeauty, if you didn't know already. So in today's video, obviously you read the title, and I'll be talking about the Krylon products, well, just some of them that I do have with me here. So I'll be talking first about the Krylon TV paint stick, which is this beauty here. It is absolutely amazing, and I've got the colour OB3. So I was lucky enough to go to a beauty event called Olympia here in London, and that's where I got this TV paint stick foundation from. So I did get to test out their shades at their booth, which was amazing which was good because online they do so many foundation colours. So it is for professional use as well, so you can literally use this for anything because they do a lot of colours online. So I was a bit wary of buying it online because they do so many, all the different shades for like literally all skin tones, everything. And also they do like red, blue, green, a pure white, which was, it's amazing. So I did go to the Olympia to test out the colour because I wanted one exactly in my shade, and which I am wearing this right now. As you can see, it's like a perfect match, which is good. And also it is really thick as well. It is really thick and really pigmented. So obviously it's not a liquid, so it's a TV paint stick, which is that there, and it does come out very pigmented. Just do a line on your face and it's whoa. So I'm going to try out my hand for you guys to see quickly. Pigmented, but it is easy to spread out. So I'm just going to do it with my fingers here so you'll be able to see. And it literally covers up so well. And it literally covers up so well. Literally, this hand you can see my veins, this hand you cannot. So yeah, I have been wearing this foundation for quite a while, on and off, obviously using other foundations that I do have, but when I do feel like it, I do wear the Krylon TV paint stick. It is really good to wear because it lasts very long. And with this, you wouldn't even need concealer, to be honest, because it's so coverage, full coverage. I did get this from the beauty event, so I did get a discount with this, as I bought some other products as well of theirs, and obviously they didn't have this in stock when I got it from the beauty thing, so they had to send it to me. So yeah, it was a fast delivery as well, which I'm pretty impressed about, and I didn't have to pay for like the postage and packaging and whatever. So obviously this is just a quick review talking about it slightly on the top of my head. And so if you haven't got any more questions about this foundation or anything like that, just comment below or send me a message. So Krylon have got a new range out called DERMACOLOR. Oh, it is so good. So I do have their concealer here, so DERMACOLOR concealer, and this is such a nice packaging as well, turquoise and white. And I've got the shade C3 here, and this again is kind of the same consistency as the TV paint stick, so it's really thick and pigmented. This is, I do have to say though, with this it is hard to blend out, so I would damp the beauty blender. So you do get quite a bit in here, which is good, and I like one that's close to my skin tone. I don't like my concealer too bright or too light. I like it the same colour. And this literally lasts so long, even though it's a little thing, it lasts so long because it's so pigmented. You only need like a touch and then just spread it out with the beauty blender. Absolutely amazing. They do different shades. I put the price down at the bottom as well. So this is called the DERMACOLOR concealer. I do have the DERMACOLOR fixing powder. So this is their translucent powder that I brought. They do other colour powders, but I do like my translucent powders, so I do buy that. So I've got a few translucent powders which I do love, but this is really good, even though it does go on pretty white, but then it just blends so well when you like dab it in and then brush the excess off. So you can see it's pretty white there, but it does literally blend in. So just go here, just go like that. And it's very smooth, very velvety. It's very smooth. It's like a satin finish. It's not totally matte, well, to my knowledge anyway, it's not matte. It doesn't make my face matte or anything. It's so lightweight, you can't feel it on. And literally, I usually leave my translucent powders on for about 10 minutes, but this one I only leave on for 5. It sets the foundation and everything very quick, but obviously it depends on which skin type, so if you do prefer leaving it on for longer, that's fine. But yeah, I only leave it on for 5 minutes and then dab it in with my beauty blender and then brush the excess off. So that I do have a variety of colours of this, but not as much as foundations. I think, I don't know how many they've got, maybe like 6 or 10. But when I was at the beauty event, I did see about, with the DERMACOLOR fixing powder, I did see about maybe 7 of them. Obviously, I don't know if they had them all out on show, but yeah, I only saw like about 7. But the concealers, they had only, I think, 4 or 5 different shades. But the concealers, they only, because they were new out, they only have 4 or 5 different shades, which obviously C3 was my shade. I don't like it too bright. I don't like it too bright, too light for my skin. I like it the same skin tone as me. So yeah, obviously I do like the 3 products that I did get from Krylon. That's my first time using Krylon. I wanted it for so long, so many years I wanted Krylon, but I just was a bit wary of getting it. And then I finally got it and I loved it. I enjoy using them. They make my makeup look so flawless as well. They go well with other products. Actually, but out of the 3, I would have to say I do love their foundation. It just covers so well. I did try it on my friend's tattoo once and it literally covered it. It was so weird. It looked like she had like no tattoo at all. It just looked like skin, which is good. It's like a second skin sort of thing, foundation. So it is really good. I would definitely recommend that foundation without a doubt. Even if you don't wear foundation much or you just like a little bit of foundation, you could just use a little bit of that and just spread it out. Literally, you just need that one thing, to be honest, if you don't wear a lot of makeup. But literally using that foundation and then their fixing powder, absolutely amazing. It contrasts so well. It doesn't make it look dry, matte or anything like that. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing. I would give a thumbs up to all 3. But my first choice is the foundation stick. They do a new DERMACOLOR foundation, which I would like to use, which is a liquid form. So that will be my next buy when I buy from Krylon again. I would buy the liquid DERMACOLOR foundation, which looks really good. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I know from the top of my head right now. If you do have any questions about these products, leave a comment below or contact me on my social medias or message me. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you guys. Mwah.